We are at Trekanten Center in Kristiansand, Norway. We have an elevator here. Looks like it's coming down. Call it anyway. I'm standing off to the side just in case there's traffic. Excuse me. All right. It's a hydraulic elevator. It is flickery in here. Go to 3.
Tredje etasje.
There's no one waiting on it, so we'll go back down to 1st. It's very bouncy. I think it's the auto level, because this definitely feels hydraulic.
Første etasje.
And that will be the end of this. Cool, bouncy elevator. And watch it close. That's the end of this.